Dexter. I'm a health coach, and I would like to talk to you today about a very healthy recipe. It is salmon. That's not really salmon. It's a raw dish, and it's prepared with carrots, organic carrots. You just chop them up. Here I have a bowl full, so this is the equivalent of approximately 2 cups or so. 1.5 cups to 2 cups, but you can do it to your taste. Then I also have some pine nuts. I like these pine nuts, Nuts About Florida pine nuts, but there are different brands out there. You can just try them and see what works for you. And you do about a 1/4 cup to a 1/2 cup of pine nuts. Then I also have the organic kelp granules. This is very nice. This is a great for iron and iodine, great source of that, as well as other minerals that we all need. I have some iodized sea salt. It doesn't have to be this particular brand. This is the brand that I like, Hain. And then you need some white miso. So most of these ingredients you could find just about anywhere. The kelp you're going to need to find in a health food store, someplace like a Whole Foods. Also this you're going to need to find in a health food store. This is miso. This is white miso in particular. This is in the refrigerator section in the health food store. And it's organic. Also I have cayenne pepper. Again, you just choose whatever brand you prefer. I have some lemon, organic lemon. And I have some fresh dill. And some romaine lettuce, but the romaine lettuce is at the end. I'll show you what we do with that. And basically to prepare this, and you might add a 1/4 cup of water or a little bit more water if necessary. So you need a blender, and here I have a nice little blender. I'm going to put in some carrots. And some pine nuts, a pinch of the kelp granules, a pinch of the sea salt, and some of the miso. The miso you can put into taste. I like about 2 tablespoons, 1 to 2 tablespoons. This is what it looks like. So it's not exactly white per se. It's kind of a beigey color, brownish color. And I happen to have a teaspoon here, but that's okay. There's 1, 2. It's a little sticky. I'm going to do about 3 of these teaspoons. Then you want to take the lemon and squeeze it in there. I usually use about, well, I love lemon, to be honest. So usually use a whole 1/2 of a lemon. You can see the size of this particular lemon. This would be maybe 2 tablespoons. Just pour in a few more carrots. A little cayenne. This you can put to taste. Not everybody likes it spicy, so, but just whatever you might like. Pour in a dash. Put the lid, make sure you have the lid on your blender. Close it, and then start to whip it up. I like to have a handy little spoon here to smooth it out. Okay, looks like I'm going to need to add a little water here. So I use filtered water. And I'm going to pour in approximately a 1/4 cup. Pour some in, but I'm going to pour it in slowly and then start mixing it up rather than pouring in the whole thing. Pour in a little more. Yeah. It should liquefy it a little bit. I almost forgot the dill. Be sure to put some fresh dill in there. Basically, I have a few sprigs here. But again, you can do this to taste. I like dill. This is organic dill. And you just chop it up. Put it in there. Make sure it's down at the bottom with everything else. Okay, looks like it is good to go. And what you want to do with this is that's where we use the romaine leaves. So you're going to take the romaine leaves, you put them out on a plate, like so. And basically you're going to put the mixture in the romaine leaves and you're going to make a wrap. A salmon that is not salmon wrap. So you want to get a nice spoon. Just spoon it out. And let me show you what it looks like. So all the carrots didn't get totally blended, but that's okay. It's still very creamy. And this gives you an idea of what it looks like. And you want to put it in the romaine lettuce wrap. What's going to be your romaine lettuce wrap. You're going to pour it in there. And I can actually take this out. And just kind of put enough in there that it'll be presentable. You get a nice mouthful. And what you want to do is you're going to roll the romaine lettuce together like this to form a wrap. And then you just cut that up and you have your salmon that is not really salmon wrap. Isn't that nice? And then you just eat it. Enjoy! Thank you for joining me today.